Hi, it's Annette. So happy that you are here. In my last video, I showed and explained how to create stickers using the scrapbook.com project sticker paper and my own Doodle Frame designs. You can click on this link if you want to jump back to my previous video tutorial. In this video, I am creating a lovely layout using the 5 frame stickers that are available for free download on my blog. I use all of them on this layout and some scrapbook.com exclusives as well. I printed my photos on a matte photo paper. I manipulated them to fit my printed stickers frames. The sticker paper is super sticky, so you have to be careful. If you stick it on a photo, you will never get it down again. I adhered them loosely and trimmed down the excess of the photos. I use foam adhesive to raise my photos and create dimension. You know me, I love to create dimensions, so there is no video that I don't use foam adhesive. I love the new sticker books from scrapbook.com. I always find the suitable sentiment or alpha stickers I need for my projects. Now I'm using the rose alpha stickers for writing the name of my daughter and some sentiments in black and white and in rose gold. Now I'm looking for cardstock in rainbow colors from my stash. I had the idea to cut with the word dice beautiful and memories in various colors, and with arranging them on the left side of the paper, it will create a beautiful and interesting effect. Well, it took a while cutting from every colored cardstock, but I think the result is so beautiful that it was worth it. I was really happy to have these teasers because it helped me a lot arranging the die cut words. These are so thin and delicate. When I was ready with arranging them, I used my mint tape to secure the die cuts. Then I flipped them over and put glue on them. It is so much easier to adhere them this way than one by one. I used the new smart glue, and it is really easy to apply because it has a fine tip and it is really flowy. That's why you have to be a little bit careful, because if you turn it upside down, the glue flows already and you don't have to push the bottle. Just turn it over and it flows in a really thin line. Before adhering the words on its final place, I put them on a scrap of paper so I can remove the excess glue. I cut the word beautiful once again from black foam because I thought that my layout needs a little bit of black on the left side too. I added some more sentiments from the sticker book and some flower ephemera from the Pinkfresh Studio Days of Splendor collection for embellishing my layout. And that's the final layout. I really love how this turned out. I think it's really cute and pretty, and it is so much fun using the scrapbook.com exclusive dies and the sticker paper. I love to create my own designed stickers. You can check these products in the shop. I link everything down below. Please let me know if you have any questions. I will be more than happy to answer. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe and hit the bell to get notification when I upload new videos. I hope to see you in my next video too. Bye bye!